Every business claims to care about customers, but true care, real, consistent, and lasting, requires more than a slogan. It requires insight. The kind of insight that only comes from recognizing patterns in the noise. CRM data, when used thoughtfully, gives businesses the ability to do exactly that. It captures the invisible signals customers leave behind in every interaction: emails, inquiries, feedback forms, missed follow-ups. What looks like clutter becomes clarity, and clarity is the beginning of better service. Most companies dread complaints, but in reality, complaints are valuable. They're data, raw, emotional, unfiltered, and they point us toward friction points in the customer journey. A well-designed CRM doesn't just store issues, it helps identify patterns, recurring delays in delivery, unanswered tickets, slow resolution times. When businesses listen not just to the words but to the trends behind them, pain points become roadmaps, and that's how lasting improvements begin. The best customer experiences feel personal, even when they're not. That's where CRM data shines. It remembers the details: a customer's preferred contact method, their purchase history, the product they struggled with last time. Armed with this context, service teams can go from answering questions to anticipating needs. And in that moment, a transaction becomes a relationship. The customer feels seen, and that feeling is priceless. Measuring customer service quality isn't about vanity metrics, it's about listening at scale. CRM dashboards help track resolution time, satisfaction scores, first response rates, and more. These numbers tell a story, not just how a single interaction went, but how the entire system is working or where it's failing. With the right data, leaders can coach teams more effectively, automate repetitive tasks, and refine customer journeys in ways that feel effortless and intuitive. The result: continuous improvement, guided by real insight. In the end, great service isn't about solving problems, it's about preventing them. And that starts with seeing the bigger picture. If your CRM isn't giving you the insights you need, maybe it's time to explore a smarter solution. Smart Manager is more than a CRM. It's a tailored system designed to fit your process, your data, and your people. With customizable workflows, intuitive automation, and real-time reporting, it helps you not just react, but anticipate. Try the demo today at smartmanagersoftware.com and see what smarter customer service can really look like.